Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you have added any authenticator app like Google Authenticator or any other authenticator app to your Binance account and now you want to remove it, how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Binance application on your device. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. From here, you need to tap on the Binance application icon. It will bring you here. From here, you need to tap on your profile. So it will bring you to Account Center. In Account Center, you need to choose Security. In Security, you will find the Authenticator app, and this green sign tick mark indicates that I already added an Authenticator app, but now I want to remove that. So all you need to do is to tap on the bin icon here. So once you tap on the bin icon, it will ask you that are you sure you want to remove Authenticator app verification? If you are sure, then you need to just tap on continue and the Authenticator app will be removed from your Binance account. But it is highly recommended that you should have the Authenticator app to have more security. But if you still want to continue and remove it, just tap on continue and the Authenticator app will be removed from your Binance account. So guys, this is how you can remove the Authenticator app on Binance. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.